Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Murphy Drive reward app review to see if it worth using. So to get started, the Murphy Drive reward app is a great tool for anyone who fill up regularly at Murphy USC station. It lets you earn points on gas and in-store purchases, and those points can be redeemed for discounts, often up to $1 off per gallon on a single fill up. The app also offers exclusive deals on snacks and drink, plus a store locator to find the cheapest nearby station. With a smooth interface and strong rating on both iOS and Android, it's an easy way to save money over time. On the downside, points can only be redeemed in one fill up to 20 gallons, so small tanks may not fully benefit. Some users also mention occasional login glitches or slow point accumulations. And here's a overall intake about the platform. It's what if you are a frequent Murphy customer and want a consistent fuel saving, but casual drivers may not rack up enough points quickly to see a big reward. And that's it.